How to clear all cache on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click this one here, hub, then three lines and settings. Scroll down, go to app settings, and here you will find it. Scroll all the way down and click clear all, and then click OK. And that's it. As you see now, cache have been cleared. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.